Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create Instagram trending speed ramp video editing using InShot. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, make sure that you have already installed InShot video editor app on your mobile phone. And I'm going to open up my InShot and I'm going to create new project. We can select new and then you can choose the video that you want to edit. And for example, I'm going to choose this video. And for Instagram Reels, you need to choose 9:16 aspect ratio. You can go to the canvas to change the aspect ratio and choose 9:16 ratio. And wait, let me remove the watermark, guys. Okay, done. And then I'm going to go to the speed menu. We can select speed and then choose curve. And you're going to add more points or dots to the curve. You can place this pointer and click on this plus icon to add new dot or new point. Okay, like this. And then we're going to edit the curve. You can make it like this. Speed up and then slow down and speed up. And then again, slow down, speed up, and then slow down, speed up, and leave it like that. And then to make it smoother, you can activate the smooth slow motion and click on the check mark. Okay, and it's still processing, guys. This smooth feature is being applied to my video. Okay, and it's almost done. Okay, perfect. And smooth slow motion has been applied to make the movement smoother. And then let's play it. Okay, it will create something like this. And then you can add effect to make it more captivating. And for the effect, I'm going to choose, I'm going to add like glitch or flash effect. Okay, like this. You can choose the effect that you like. Alright, and for the effect, I'll go with the circle effect. Okay, and this is the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create speed RAM trending using InShot video editor. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.